Word of the day feud. Telugu meaning Vairam, Shatrutvam. English meaning the word feud is a noun that refers to a prolonged and bitter conflict between individuals or groups. Synonyms conflict, rivalry. Antonyms harmony, peace. Usage. The long standing feud between the two families affected social harmony in the village. Political parties often engage in a public feud that distract from real issues. Timorous, Telugu meaning భయపడిన, సిగ్గుపడిన. English meaning the word timorous is an adjective that describes someone who is shy, fearful, or lacking confidence. Synonyms fearful, shy. Antonyms bold, confident. Usage. The timorous child hesitated before stepping onto the stage for her first time performance. The timorous child hesitated before stepping onto the stage for her first performance. His timorous approach to decision making often caused delays in important projects. Upbraid, Telugu meaning నిందించు, కోపగించు. English meaning the word upbraid is a verb that means to scold someone or criticize them severely for their faults or mistakes. Synonyms scold, rebuke. Antonyms praise, compliment. Usage. The manager did not hesitate to upbraid the team for missing the deadline despite repeated reminders. She upbraided her brother for his careless attitude, hoping he would take his responsibilities more seriously. Beatific, experiencing or bestowing celestial joy, marked by utter benignity, resembling or befitting an angel or saint. Synonyms angelic, saint, saintly. Usage. He smiled one of his beatific smiles and left. వర్బోస్, తెలుగు మీనింగ్ అధిక ప్రసంగం, అతిగా మాట్లాడడం. ఇంగ్లీష్ మీనింగ్ ద వర్డ్ వర్బోస్ ఈజ్ అన్ అడ్జెక్టివ్ దట్ డిస్క్రైబ్స్ స్పీచ్ ఆర్ రైటింగ్ దట్ యూజెస్ మోర్ వర్డ్స్ దెన్ నెసెసరీ. సినోనిమ్స్ వర్డీ, rambling. Antonyms concise, brief. Usage. The professor's verbose explanation confused the students instead of clarifying the concept. He tends to become verbose when nervous, adding unnecessary details to simple points.